Well, today's tip of the day is going to be with jicama, the Mexican potato. Now, if you want something very refreshing on a hot day in the summer, jicama. You peel it, you put a little bit of lemon juice or orange juice because it absorbs the juices, the jicama. A little bit of chili powder if you want, or a little bit of cilantro, chopped cilantro. I'm telling you, it is so refreshing and probably any calories at all. The jicama is where it's at in the summertime. But selection and storage is very important. When you buy it, you want to make sure it's got this beautiful color all the way around and free from a lot of deep cracks that go all the way to the flesh and heavy for the size. When you bring them home, you really don't want to store it in the refrigerator. You want to keep it in a cool, dry place. Now, it looks like it could last for a long time, but it really doesn't. So buy and enjoy it within maybe 7 to 10 days. If you wait any longer, it's going to start to dry up inside and lose that wonderful flavor. Jicama with citrus juice and chili powder on a hot day, very refreshing. And I'm Tony Tantillo, your fresh grocer, and always remember to eat fresh and stay healthy.